Hi friends, this video shows how to turn off HDR on PS5 console. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. First go to settings. Select settings icon from top right corner. Under settings, go down, select screen and video. Select video output. Under video output, go down. Here we can find HDR. You can see by default it is on. You can see it shows always on. Select HDR. Here we can see three options: off, always on, and on when supported. Let me select off. Done. See, this way we can turn off HDR. Later if you want to turn on, again come here. Then we can select always on or on when supported. So this way we can turn on or off HDR. Please check it.